Puerto Rican pasteles. Yummy. Perfect for the holidays. Too bad again. We're not in Puerto Rico. But wait a second. We can make them. The nose. Hi guys, welcome back to International Reviews and happy holidays. This is another holidays month special. This time we are gonna be cooking pasteles, Puerto Rican pasteles. It's a favorite dish in Puerto Rico for the holidays, served on Christmas, specifically in Christmas Eve. It's a side dish or main dish, and it's made out of plantain and multiple vegetables, pumpkin and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so we're gonna be cooking these pasteles from a gift from my mom a month ago. She sent me these nuts. $50 I think it costs from Puerto Rico, straight from Puerto Rico. Pasteles. So they're frozen. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in boiled water, and it's gonna be for 45 minutes if it is frozen. If it is not, it's less. Also, thank you, Mom, for helping me out or sending me these. Okay, so let's go ahead and put them right here. There we go. So we're gonna put them here. Okay, and after half of the time, we're gonna go ahead and turn it. So if it's for 45 minutes, after 23 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and turn it. I guess side. So in 23 minutes, which is half the time, we're gonna go ahead and turn them into the other side. Okay, and hopefully that works. Again, this is one of the traditional Puerto Rican Christmas side dish. Okay, it's made out of what is it made of?
Plantain.
And vegetables.
Plantain, yuca, malanga.
Carrots. No carrots. Pumpkin, yeah. So now we're gonna leave it another 20 minutes, and it should be fine. Again, this is our frozen one. So we finally got the pasteles after 45 minutes. Gonna go ahead and take them out. Okay, so those are the pasteles here. We're gonna go ahead and cut the strings. And they are again covered. What are they covered for? Is it paper?
It's parchment paper, and then the inside is banana leaves.
Yeah, so paper and then banana leaves. So we're gonna go ahead and see them. It's very hot, so be careful. There we go. There we go. You flip it. Reverse it. Which is very hot right there. There we go. So now, oh, that's fine. Oh, you wanna put in the, there you go. So go ahead and open it up. Open the
This one?
Yeah. And here we go. That's what it looks like.
It really does look like poop, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks funny looking, but it is very, very delicious. So these are the pasteles, Puerto Rican pasteles for the holiday season. And yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, the consistency, and this is chicken. No, this is pork, actually, pork. It's amazing, the memories of Christmas. You know, let me have another one. You see the pork? Let's do it again. The memories of Christmas. Puerto Rican Christmas. Alright guys, there you go. Delicious. So that's our pasteles. Thank you, Mom, again for sending those. You can make your own. It's kind of expensive getting all the ingredients for the recipe. So anyways, from us here in Interracial Reviews, we wish you happy holidays and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So see you guys later. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See ya.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so